Hey there, and welcome to this crash course on Claude. I cannot wait to show you how powerful Claude is for writing and improving your productivity. My name is Tyler, founder of AIWritingSchool.com, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your writing, 10x your productivity, write blog posts, emails, whatever you need in a way that feels human and not robotic. So the first part of this tutorial, we will focus on how to write better with Claude. And in the second part, I'm going to show you how to analyze writing and content with Claude, which is a really cool feature that many people don't know about. So the first part, how do you write with Claude? Well, very simple. You just go to Claude AI, start you a free account. That's all you need. We're going to use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. There's other models that are older. All you need to worry about is using the model that's default here. And we are going to ask the AI to write us an article. Simple as that. That's as simple as it can be. Please write a 800-word article on the AI writing revolution. Now, this is a very generic, terrible prompt. And I say terrible because it's basic, but it gets us started. So here's a draft. And this little feature that we have here, this click to open document and it being over here in this window, this is an artifact. This is called an artifact. It's a feature in Claude that does not appear in ChatGPT. So if you use ChatGPT, this is a little different, but I love it. And what's great about this is that it allows you to instantly, with one click, copy and paste. It allows you to download the file. That way you have it on your desktop if you would like. And at any point, you can minimize it. And you can close it out right here, continue your chat, and you can also revise and do different versions of this artifact. So all that's really cool. But as you can see here, it's quickly written this article. It's broken it down and made it scannable, but it could be a lot better. This has some generic feelings to it. There's not really an angle to it. And one of the reasons why is we did not give Claude an identity. And we did not give it a voice and style, like a personality, and we did not give it an opinion. So to make this better, we are going to iterate and ask it to revise. And so it's as simple as going back in the chat window here. And this is fundamental to AI writing and fundamental to making Claude write better, is iterating and polishing what you have trained and instructed it to do. So we're going to say, please rewrite with the opinion that the AI writing revolution isn't coming, that it's already here, but many content writers are ignoring the oncoming revolution and may be left behind. Please write with a sense of urgency. Here we go. Now it's going to rewrite this with a sense of urgency, emphasizing the AI revolution is already here and that content writers who ignore it risk being left behind. All right. It's here and it's leaving writers behind. Wake up content creators. The AI revolution isn't some distant future event. It's happening right now all around us. While writers bury their heads in the sand, clinging to outdated methods and ignoring the transformative power of AI. Okay. The cost of ignoring progress, industries in flux, the urgent need to adapt. Okay, this is pretty good, but something I don't love here is like wake up content creators. Don't really feel like that's my language and my tone. And so we're going to ask it, please use less slang. I don't like the opening. Wake up content creators. Please use a conversational but professional voice. And it's going to iterate again, and now it's going to create version 3 of this in the artifact. So it says it's updating the artifact. Okay, I'm liking this a little bit better than what I can see of this. Attention content creators and writers. Yeah, I like that better. Cool. All right. And And let's do one more iteration. Let's make the opening a little more unique. Please include an analogy in the intro paragraph. Just to make it a little more unique, a little more interesting, we're going to add an analogy. So here we go. This technological shift is akin to their transition from typewriters to computers in the 1980s. Just as writers who clung to their typewriters found themselves outpaced and outmaneuvered by those embracing word processors, today content creators who ignore AI risks being left behind in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. So this is great. We've improved this a lot better, and I really like where this is headed. So this shows you really quickly, crash course on how to write with Claude. Now I want to show you how do you analyze content with Claude. So we're going to jump back out. One of the cool things you can do is you can take a screenshot on your computer and upload that. So we're now going to take this and we're going to take a screenshot and we're going to drag it over here, and you can also upload it. You can do add content. We're just going to drag it over there. Actually, I'll have to save it, I think. So we're going to save it, add content. There it is. Okay, so we've uploaded a screenshot of my homepage, and the reason why is please analyze this screenshot and provide conversion rate optimization recommendations for it. All right, so now it's going to analyze this web page here. This is great. So urgency and scarcity, including elements like limited spots available, an upcoming course start date for AI Writing School. Add testimonials, student success stories, or logos of companies where graduates work to build credibility and trust. And so that's actually here, but it's not in the screenshot. But it's great that it knows that we should do that. Because I am a trained writer and marketer, I obviously included that. It is optimized for mobile. Instead of just a waitlist button, include a short form to collect email addresses. I do have that towards the bottom here. So a lot of this I have, but if you imagine if you're not a trained writer and marketer, you may not know these principles, and this would really help if you were able to take screenshots of a website and it's like, hey, how can I make this better? Formerly, you would have to pay thousands of dollars to a consultant or a marketer to do this for you or to show you what's wrong with it. But now Claude can do this for absolutely free, which is just really, really cool. Another thing you can do with analyzing writing is you can actually copy and paste writing, and I can grab this right here. So my hero, we're going to say, please, and this is one of my favorite ways to use Claude for copywriting. Please provide 5 options in place of this headline and subhead. And now we have multiple options if I were to want to change up the headline of my website. So hopefully this masterclass, this little crash course has been very helpful for you. If you have any questions at all, please leave them as a comment. Would love to see what I can do to help you become a more powerful AI writer.